Saris bike mount or rocking to the car. So it's pretty easy. So once you do, very simple. Takes only like 5 minutes. And it's done. And I bought it from Halford's. It was about $29.99, so it's not expensive. It's made from thicker plastic. This is like soft. It's got soft rubbers in the end. So let's go and put it on, see how it works. And at the same time, I bought my son bike, so I will demonstrate that one as well. So we'll put it on as well. So basically, what we need to do is simple. Just make sure clean the glass. You know, just make sure there's no dust or anything, because you might scratch the glass. And the metal should be alright. So you got this. There's 2 legs in the front, 2 legs in the back. The back one is a bit longer than the front one, so make sure the front one, the shortest ones, goes on the glass side. So, and try to hold on of the metal, the hooks. You don't want to hit the glass or scratch it. You see on the side here, it's written upper, so definitely 100% this is like the top ones. So we'll go on this, put it on. Just same with the other one. So we'll just make it look, you know, just make sure it's straight on, and the hooks. Okay. Try to avoid the wipers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to put on the top of the wipers. As you see, just make sure you put it right in the middle, and it should be fine. And the other ones, and it comes, you know, this is the longer ones. Normally always goes in the middle bit. Okay. Then you have 2 other hooks, and this one here, as you see, if you can see here, is written lower. So that's the bottom ones basically. So it goes here. Okay, and also with the other one. That's it. So all we have to do is just try to make sure it's tight. I mean, there is a, and you see it here, just press down, pull it up, job is done. Same to this one. Press, and it's tight. Now we're going to do the top ones. Just make sure they're all in the middle, and you can see here, press and pull, press and pull. And just a second, I'm going to bring the camera so I can focus, so you can see what I've done. And this is the bit of metal, so you can just press down here and pull the stripe, and it will tighten it up. Okay. Right, you put it back, and then we'll start with the. Okay. Okay, here we can see. Okay. Just trying to make sure it's tied up properly. Okay, that should be fine. This one's still a little bit loose, but I will tighten that one. Happy? I think that's enough. Okay. It's full, so just change to another one. Right, so let's bring the bike now and try it on. Thank you. I borrowed my son's bike, so let's try it on. Okay, so it's very simple. This is a heavy bike, by the way, so and it's still I've used it, you know, it's not a problem. Heavy bike or lighter, that doesn't matter. Right, that's it, you lift it up, and that's it, you stick it in there. Just make sure when you put the bike, basically, when you just make sure it should be right in the middle. So right in the middle of the car, basically, you know, you don't want the wheels out or on the other side of this side, because you never know, you know, while you're driving. So at the moment it looks alright. It's going to bring it a little bit in here. That is fine. So what you need to do, as you see, there is a strap here. Put it in and put it down. That's it. It's tight. The job is done. Very, very simple. It's still done. The bike is very secure. It's not going to go anywhere. With this wheel, normally, you know, while you're driving with the wind, of course, you're going to play around, you know, with the wind, and you might start hitting the light. You don't want to break your light. So this is what it's for. There's one here, basically goes up and down, and this is what it's for. So you just put it in there, tight it up. That's it. Let's put it tight. Very simple. I'm going to twist it around there. That's it. The wheel is tight. Job is done. You have this extra strap. I mean, sometimes I secure the bike more security, but it doesn't need it because you don't want to, you know, while driving, you know, it's flapping around with the wind. So I use them to secure the bike, and similar to this one. So the bike's not going to go anywhere. As you see, it's very simple, very cheap, $29.99 from Hartford's. Very cheap and simple, and job is done. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I've got more videos, you know, about cars and anything to do with technology and nature as well. So thank you for watching, and we'll meet up for another video. Thank you. Bye bye.